Morning, my dear students. Welcome to our next session. Here we are going to discuss some previous examination questions. Here, first question is state the differences between real and virtual image. See, we have to see what is the real image first. Real image means that image caught by screen, means image formed on the screen. So that is real image, and the image which could not be caught by screen is called virtual image. Here that real image we can understand here by taking concave. This is concave mirror. So I placed the object here. So when you take one ray parallel to the principal axis, it should travel through the focus. And I am taking another ray from the object to passes through the focus. It should be parallel to the principal axis. So now these two rays are meet at one point. It seems to be actual rays, actual reflected rays are meet at one point. There we get the image. So the second point, that is the second point here. In this, the rays actually meet at the image point. Here image formed, there we get there the two rays are meet. And if you observe the image, it seems to be inverted, means downward. That arrow should be downward, means it is called inverted image. So real image, always we get inverted image. If you see the virtual image, it could not meet actually. See, this is a convex structure when light ray incident from the object. Suppose here we have any object, so the ray incident from the object are parallel to the principal axis and hit the mirror. So it moves, means this is divergent. This is a convex mirror, it divergent. So this is a reflected ray here. For first ray, this is a reflected ray. So extend this ray. This is first ray, extend this. This is the ray. And second ray, I am taking second ray which is incident at pole. So now it is act as a normal line. This principal axis, this angle of incident, angle of reflection. So it moves away from the normal line, means divergent. So this divergent ray have to extend. Now these two are appear to be, these divergent rays, these two are appears to be meet at one point. There we get the image, and we can observe the image here, diminished image. So we get the diminished image here, and this should be erect. So in virtual image we get always erected image. Erect, it should be erect. And by this we can understand. In the same way we get the differences between the concave and convex mirror also. So this is about concave and this is about convex mirror. The differences we can understand to understand the real image and virtual image. So this is the first question. We get this question for 2 marks. We got it in 2019 March. We will see. Let us see another question. Complete the diagram and draw the image. This is March 2016 question. 2 marks question. We will get these type of questions. This is very important question. He is given incomplete ray diagram and asking to complete the ray diagram. See, he is given one ray which is passes through the center of curvature. Only one arrow given. And another ray given which is passes through the focus. Just one arrow given. And here is the object. And this dotted lines, given this dotted line, this shows this ray parallel to the principal axis. So now when we have the rule, when light ray passes parallel to the principal axis, it should reflect. Now I am taking another arrows. It reflected through the focus. So this gives now reflected ray. And we have to take another ray to construct the ray diagram. This is the ray, incident ray. If we extend this, it passes through the center of curvature, means it reflected through the center of curvature. Now we have to extend this principal axis and extend these lines. This reflected rays, if you extend this reflected rays, these two rays are meet at one point, and there we get image. That image should be magnified. That image should be magnified, and this is the extended rays. So now this is the complete ray diagram. Is given incomplete ray diagram. Now we completed that ray diagram. This way we are getting some incomplete ray diagrams asking to complete it. So this is very, very important. Sometimes we get this question for 1 mark or sometime for 2 marks. So this type of questions, you have to concentrate on this type of questions. Thank you.